Hi there. I welcome you to my channel again. In this video, we will see how you can set up your live streaming event, how you can schedule a live streaming event. You assume that you've already set up your YouTube channel. In the previous video, we saw how to set up a YouTube channel, but you remember you have to wait for 24 hours after you enable it for it to get activated. Let us assume that you have waited for 24 hours and it got activated. Now you come and go to the same browser and type youtube.com here. Once you type in, it will take you to the same page where you have to log in, right? So once you type in youtube.com, and it takes you to a page where you have to sign in again, right? So you sign in here, you can use the same email ID like we saw last time, and I am using a different email ID here, and I am typing in my password and I log in. So I have come into my YouTube channel. Now I'm going to schedule an event, streaming event. I go to the same camera icon, which we discussed in the last video. You can also go and check your videos. If you have your videos already, you use this your videos and you can go and check all the previous videos that you either uploaded or did a live streaming on. Okay. And we will now set up a live streaming. We'll create a live streaming and schedule it for a later date. The moment you click the camera icon, as you saw last time, it gives you two options: upload a video or go live. I will say go live for live streaming scheduling. And it takes you to the same page here. And here you see there is no enabling there, but you click on scheduling. Here it's very important. I always say reuse settings. What are the settings? I will show you in the next few pages what the settings are. So I always say reuse settings. You can also use a create new, but in that case, you will have to make sure your settings are transferred to a streaming software correctly. So once you go here, because I said reuse settings, even the stream name remains the same. I can go and change it here. I'm just changing it to testing for live streaming. The second one is there are three options: public, unlisted, and private. Private means only you can watch it. Unlisted means whoever has the link can watch it. Public means whoever searches for it can search and watch the video. For time being, I will keep it as public. And next is a description. I usually choose non-for-profit. If you have a comedian and making comedy video, call it comedy. Entertainment can be entertainment, etc. Here I will call it non-profits and activism. And then you go and choose the date. Let me now schedule it for 20th and at time. One important thing here is the date and time is an only indication for the viewers at what time it will be streamed. It doesn't matter if you want to stream it earlier, you stream it earlier, it will accept it. Or even if you stream it later after this set date and time, you can still do the streaming. But this is what will appear for the people when they click on the link. So they will know July 20th at 8:05 a.m. the streaming is going to happen. So this is an indication to them. The next is the thumbnail. You can change the thumbnail. If you want to change something, you go and click on change thumbnail, select a different picture, and that picture will appear there. At the moment, I'm not changing it. The next one is whether it's made for kids or not. Most of the videos that I make are, okay for kids, but I still just leave it not made for kids. It's okay because kids are not going to see or maybe saying how to make a video live stream. So now you are in an important page where you are going to do the setup. The first thing I want to show here is it is waiting for streaming software to stream. So don't worry about it because you have set it up. It is waiting for it. The moment you stream, it will come here. The other important thing here is the auto start. I'm sorry. Enable auto start. This I always keep enabled on. The reason is I don't need to come to this page when I use my streaming software to stream. I just say to my streaming software, stream to this particular channel, which I identify by a streaming key. I will show you that it automatically happens. right? The next one that you have to see is the enable auto stop, right? See, the enable auto stop, that is actually the streaming key. Sorry, I forgot to tell you. You can copy the streaming key and keep it with you. You put it in your text file or somewhere, so that you have to transfer the streaming key to the streaming software, right? Then only it will come to this channel. The next one is the enable auto stop. It is, you can, if you keep it enabled, the advantage is you don't need to come to this page once the streaming stops from your streaming software. YouTube also stops streaming, right? Once the streaming stops from your streaming software, YouTube stops it. But the disadvantage of this is, suppose for some reason your internet stopped for some time, the streaming software will not be streaming and YouTube will stop it. And when the internet is back, when you stream, it will not be streamed by the YouTube. So this is a tricky thing. So yeah, I would say that if you are not very happy with your internet connection or anything that may stop, I will just keep this disabled. I won't enable this. And later I will have to come here and end the stream in this page, right? Otherwise the streaming will keep on going, but your streaming software will stop streaming the video. The next thing is the latency. This is what it means is, your streaming software streams the video, but the people watching it will watch it few seconds later. There is a latency, right? This is usually 20 seconds if you take normal latency. Yeah, that's what I think, but I have not checked it. Usually I take low latency, which is approximately 5 to 7 seconds. If you go for ultra low, it will be like 2-3 seconds. But it doesn't matter. I choose low latency because it may be some 5 to 7 seconds if I'm right. I haven't checked it again. Okay. So I have set up everything, but the most important thing is what you want to share is your link. So you have to go there and click, and your link is there. To copy the link, you click on the icon there. You just click there, you copy the link and take the link to your WhatsApp, or you can use the WhatsApp there itself. It will go to your WhatsApp straight away, and you keep it in any of your text file for use it later, right? So now you are ready with your streaming scheduling done. You've already scheduled your live streaming. So you can close this now after you copy your link. And you can go back to your YouTube page and just look at whether this streaming that you schedule now is there. It is there actually, but you can go to your YouTube page and check whether it is there. You can check whether your live streaming schedule that you did is available in your YouTube channel. So for that, you come back to this YouTube channel and click on your videos. Once you click, you see these are the uploaded videos that you will have. Then you go to live. On all your live streamed videos will be here, including the one that is set up now. So it is set up scheduled for 20th July. It is not yet streamed. If it is streamed, it will say streamed already. You can see here. And here also you can copy the link. What you can do is you can just click here and copy the link that you want to share with others for watching the video. And you can edit the title and description, and you can also delete it forever. And here also you can change whether it is for public or unlisted or private. So that option is there. You have more options for editing. If you click on this, where you can even change your description, title, the time that it is scheduled for, and the thumbnail. You can change the picture also here, and also copy the link here also, your YouTube link. So what you can do is you can copy the link and make sure it takes you to the right video that you set up. So I'll open another browser and paste the link that I copied and then say enter, and it takes me to the same one that I set up, but it has not started streaming. You can say it will live in 16 hours, and it tells you when it's scheduled. This is what I said, all this will appear, but this is not going to control the time that you're going to schedule, live stream it. The live streaming is by you you use another software to live stream. And if you do it now also, it will still appear here. The video will come on here. If you do it later also, the video will still come on here. So it doesn't matter, but this timing is what that tells the people to come back to watch this. And you can also have a description. You remember that I had a description there that appears here. So this is all about scheduling a live streaming. Thank you very much for watching, and please visit this channel for more videos, interesting videos in future. Thank you very much. Bye bye.